Welcome to the heart of Kampong Gelam, where tradition and modernity meet. Step into the world of aromatherapy and immerse yourself in the captivating art of essential oil distillation. Step inside our store and discover a life-sized essential oil distillery, a true marvel. With a production capacity of 100 liters and standing tall at 1.9 meters, this distillery takes you on a mini factory tour. It all begins with water, pure and simple. Water is boiled, creating steam that acts as a gentle carrier for the magical aromatic compounds found in nature. This steam is carefully passed over plant matter, releasing the precious oils hidden within flowers, leaves, stems, roots, seeds, barks, resins, or fruit rinds. As the steam gently caresses the plant material, it captures the aromatic oils, forming a beautiful mixture of steam and plant essence. The harmonious blend of steam and essential oils gracefully rises and travels to the condenser column. Here, in the presence of cooling water, the magical transformation occurs. The steam and oils condense, transforming into a liquid once again. Finally, the pure and precious essential oil is separated from the water, ready to be bottled and cherished. Essential oils are not only aromatic, but they are also incredibly versatile. Used in toiletries, skincare, perfumes, and even cosmetics, they bring joy to countless people worldwide. Aromatherapy offers relaxation, rejuvenation, and healing. These oils work on both the mind and body, offering therapeutic benefits and acting as effective antibacterial agents. Distillation is a timeless process that brings the natural essence of plants to life. Let's return to where the enchantment originates, our essential oil distillery, where every scent is born. Now, let's uncover even more treasures in our store